How to use the Nadex order ticket. At the top of the order ticket, you see the contract name, which tells you the underlying market, the strike price, and the expiration time and date. Below it are the time left until expiration and the live price of the underlying market, or Nadex indicative index, which is a continuously updated moving average of the price. That's the key information you need to choose a contract. Market, strike price, expiration. Now you need to decide, do you want to buy or sell? The order ticket shows real-time market data. In the middle are the current bid and offer prices of the binary option or spread. In the Depth tab, you can see any limit orders waiting at prices further away. The bid and offer size show the total number of contracts currently ordered. In the order type box, you can choose limit orders or market orders with protection. In the size box, you can select the number of contracts. If it's a limit order, you can specify the price you want to pay. Remember, to buy, you pay the offer price, the price another trader is offering to sell at. As a seller, you pay the bid price. Click on the offer price to fill in a buy order at that price. Click on the bid price to fill in a sell order. At the bottom, you see your maximum possible loss and profit, which recalculate automatically. You can choose your risk and reward before you place the trade. That's what makes Nadex trading limited risk trading. So always remember to check before you click. Check your maximum loss and profit before you click Place Order.